Want to organize all your important cards in your iPhone wallet, IDs, airline tickets, concert passes, store loyalty cards, and more? Apple doesn't offer a built-in way to add all types of cards, but I've got the perfect solution for you. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to store any card in your wallet app effortlessly. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share some pro tips on managing your digital cards like a pro. Keeping all your important cards organized in your iPhone wallet is a game changer. Unfortunately, Apple doesn't provide a built-in way to add every type of card, but don't worry. There's an easy solution using third-party apps. One of the best free options is Pass4Wallet, available on the App Store, link in the description. Once installed, open the app and get started. If you're adding a boarding pass, choose Boarding Pass. Next, scan the barcode using the Scan Barcode option, or if your boarding pass is a PDF or image, select Scan PDF Document or select from Photos to upload it. You can also manually add details such as name, ticket number, transit type, origin, destination, date, time, and seat number. For better organization, you can change the card's color and add notes. Then tap Add to Wallet. Once everything looks good, tap Add to finalize the process. You may access your added boarding pass in the app or in the Wallet app. For easy access to your boarding pass, a widget would be helpful. Long press home screen and tap Edit. Then tap Customize Widget. Tap the Pass4Wallet widget. Choose the style you want. Finally, tap Add Widget. Long press the widget. Tap Edit Widget and tap Choose. Tap the boarding pass you added. Now you have your own QR code and just a tap away to view your boarding pass. Pro tip: if you frequently use digital tickets, organize them by color in your wallet app to find them faster. For more iPhone tips, tech hacks, and app tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you in the next video.